Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the power seats is located. Let's say you have power seats, especially driver seat, sometimes it will be power seat. It's not moving, it's not working. Check that fuse, guys. Actually, you have two of them. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain where each one of them is located and how to test them as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So the fuse box that we showed you on the inside, okay, we'll be working on the outside in just a little bit, so let me just put that cover. That fuse box that's on the inside, what we did, we actually, guys, okay, took a picture of it so we can show with the great detail where the fuses are located. Otherwise it's impossible for us, guys, okay, to stick the camera, light and my hand at the same time to point at the fuses, guys. So the best way will be, okay, to take a picture and show you that way. So what we're looking at now, you need to come to the second row right here, 1, 2, then count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth fuse, the very last fuse right here, 30 amp fuse, that's for power seats, guys. Okay, this fuse you need to check. If you don't know how to test them when you pull them out, we have a special video that teaches you, and it will show you how to do that in practically just a few seconds, guys, so you will know if you have a good or bad fuse. The second fuse, it's located in the fuse box that's under the hood right here. So you have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up. Okay, perfect, just like that. And the fuse, guys, okay, that we're needing now, okay, let me show you now. The back side of the fuse box, you have the fuse numbers, okay, the fuse names. So it corresponds, if you hold the fuse box cover like that, to what we have here. And the fuse, guys, okay, that we actually need to check now, it's known as IPB plus 3, guys. You start wondering where that fuse is located. If you look at it, it's that fuse right here, which is for multiple things. It's that fuse over there, guys. Very important fuse. Okay, without that fuse, okay, multiple components, okay, will not work. So what do you need to do if you need to replace that fuse? Disconnect the car battery, okay, because on these modern vehicles you don't want to cause damage to the electrical system, and it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can burn your engine, computer, modules, electric system. So we have a special video that explains how to properly disconnect the car battery, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.